wear that tinted visor just because those fast guys look cool when they wear a tinted visor, but I'm gonna wear my clear one first.
I think we're asking you a little too much. Oh boy. God knows his limitations.
Well, let's do a prayer.
Let's do a prayer. All right.
You get Tommy
in
in
here.
here.
Get in here.
Yeah,
Lord only knows.
he needs it as much as I do.
Father, here we are, first race of the season, Lord, first qualifying pass, and Lord, we did some testing in Phoenix, and now it's time to get down to business. I just pray when Scott gets in that car, you do your thing as you always do, get in there with him, climb right off in with him. I know the car's ready, the tube's ready, the crew's ready, so Father, he's ready for you to bless him. So Father, give him a good run right here, this first qualifying pass, your very best, above all, safety in Jesus' name.
Thank you.
I've always considered myself a hands-on Top Fuel racer. You know, I like working on the car, so you know, I'm actually a crew guy. I'm just lucky enough to get to drive one. Still the guy standing at the back of the ropes. I look out there at the ropes, and I still think I'm lucky enough to be in here, and that's why, you know, after hours you'll see a bunch of people in our pits because we haven't forgot where we came from. I've only went to one national event before I raced a car at a national event, and that was always the goal for everyone, is run through the pits and watch everybody seat the clutch. And you know, about the time I got into Top Fuel racing finally after all those years, everybody quit doing it. So I always said if we ever have a competitive Top Fuel dragster, we'll start whacking the throttle. And you know, once the car started running respectable, that's what we did. We started whacking the throttle, and we're going to continue doing it.
You know what? I dream all the time. You know, I'm at my boat race, and I'm at the ramp, and ready to get ready to crawl on the boat, and I don't have my driving suit, or there's something I don't have.
What has Tommy Thompson meant to you?
He's awesome. He fixed us. He gave us this opportunity. Nobody does that anymore. Nobody gets this opportunity. I painted cars in my garage my whole life. Tommy made this happen.
17th race winner at Top Fuel at Wild Horse Pass about to come up. Will it be Steve Torrence who leads the points no matter what, or we will witness Scott Palmer's first win? It's Steve Torrence.
It's what we've worked for our whole lives. I mean, you can say what you want about thinking you can do it if you get the opportunity. And when Tommy Thompson stepped up and gave us the opportunity, it put a lot of pressure on us. Now we have to make good on this and make this happen. And I think we've done a fairly good job of it. Of course, with the Capco guys' help and Lagana boys, I mean, they've held our hand and made us what we are right now. And we're still learning. You know, we still have a few lessons to learn. And right now we're trying to learn how to win. And that sounds hard. Or it might even sound strange, but you know, we're survivors. We know how to survive. If all the budget went away out here in these pits, us and Lagana would still be standing. But we haven't learned how to win yet. We've won a few rounds, but we need to win 4 in one day. If we win 4 in one day, we're going to win a race.
Do you ever find yourself as Cinderella wondering when the clock's going to strike midnight?
Yeah, but I don't have any good slippers to put on, but I do. I mean, my mom called me one day and said, Scotty, you need to go buy a lottery ticket. The lottery was up real high, and I said, Mom, I already won the lottery. I'm good. I'm not even going to buy one.
Here we go. All right. Tommy Thompson does approve.
Would you give to those up-and-coming dreamers in Top Fuel or fuel ranks or drag racers?
Keep working. Keep working. You know, if you really want to do this, you can do it. But you can't have another hobby if you don't have a lot of money. if you don't have the budget to do this or the means to do it, there's only one thing that'll get it: work, hard work. Bob Glidden proved that. I'm following in Bob Glidden's footsteps. You know, I mean, I saw an article years ago, and he said if you don't have money, you better be willing to work, or something to that effect. And that's what I'm doing.
So if you can't outspend them, you'll outwork them.
You got to outwork them. The only thing you can do in life that's free is labor. That's the only thing that's free in life is labor. Hard work.